Good evening, sir. This is our report of topic 9, professional communication, and I am the last reporter of our topic. Leveraging technology for effective communication. Leveraging technology for effective communication is today's digital age. Technology plays a big role in enhancing communication. It helps teams stay connected even when working remotely. Social media engagement. Used to share updates, build connection, and promote teamwork. Example, ang isang team ay gumagamit ng Facebook group o messenger chat para magbahagi ng updates, magplano ng gawain at magbigay ng feedback sa isa't isa. Email marketing and newsletters. Keep everyone informed about goals, progress, and important announcements. Example, ang email marketing at newsletters ay paraan ng informasyon o balita sa mga tao sa loob o labas ng isang organisasyon. Mobile apps and digital communication tools, apps like Zoom, Slack, or Teams make collaboration faster and easier. Example, ginagamit ng grupo ang Zoom at Google Meet para sa kanilang online meetings at usapan at pagpapasa ng file o informasyon. Effective team communication and leveraging technology. Effective team communication is essential for teamwork and success in any organization. It ensures that all members understand goals, share ideas clearly, and work together efficiently. Clear and concise communication. Message should be easy to understand to avoid confusion. Example, kapag nagpapasa ng mensahe sa grupo, dapat malinaw at direkta ang sinasabi. Active listening and feedback. Listening carefully and giving feedback helps improve collaboration. Example, habang nagpapaliwanag ang isang miyembro ng grupo, nakikinig ka ng mabuti at hindi mo siya pinuputol pagkatapos niyang magsalita, binibigyan mo siya ng maayos na tugon o mungkahi. Collaboration and teamwork. Working together and respecting different opinions strengthens team. Example, habang gumagawa